Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily open up the paper tray on your Canon PIXMA TS5150. So first, what you guys want to do is the first paper tray is right here and the second one is right up top. So I'll show you the second one later. Now let's start off with this one. All we gotta do is just pull it like that. As you guys can see, now we cannot close it. And basically here we can also adjust everything. So let me just take it off. Here we can adjust it to a certain distance. Here we can also adjust it. And when we take off this cover right here, we will have the button to push it back, and now when it's pushed back we can place the cover back. Now we can just go over and close it, and now I'll see you guys in a second and I'll show you guys the second one. So now for the second one, we have it right here. Let's just open this little thing up and pull it towards us. Now let's curve it to the back, and as you guys can see, we have the paper tray ready. So what we can basically do, let me grab some random piece of paper. Here we can basically place it and it'll be all good. So you guys can also adjust everything here. I'll show you guys that. And here, as you guys can see, we can also adjust it. So let's just bring it up. Here we have the blue thingies to basically change it. As you guys can see, we can change it from A4 to, let's say, our envelope. We can change it to match everything. And now after we're done, we just need to close it like that. And it's all good. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one.